Charlie. There we go.
Okay, you take it away, and she'll go get the basket.
Okay. Bailey.
Bailey, get the basket. Good girl. Go get the basket, Bailey. There you go.
You getting it, Bailey?
Bailey, the basket. Now don't touch the basket. Bailey, no. Get the basket. You gotta get the basket. Come on, Bailey. Come on, Bailey. You can do it. Big girl like you. Oh, good girl. Oh, there we go. She did it. Good girl. She did. There we go. And he gets one for me.
Oh, you lost your hat.
You lost the hat? I lost my hat.
Yeah.
Oh, dear. Somebody put the hat back on. I can't do anything about it. Here we go. Take away the cookie. We're going to put the cookie up here. Wait, see the cookie. Can you see the cookie? Then you better hang that in front of the
He's happy.
I'll be happy.
Bailey, happy birthday?
Here we go.
Alright. Can Bailey turn around now?
Bailey, can you turn around, please?
She's not here to do it. She's going to do it.
Come on, Doc. Whoop. Lost the hat.
Little girl.
There we go. Whoa.
There we
Stay.
go.
Good girl. Stay.
Stay.
Stay right there. There we go. There we go. Now we're going to... Look what you done. Stay.
Come on, get out of the picture.
Oh,
We
Bailey.
lost Bailey.
No, the cookie. Bailey. Get out of that cookie. Get over here. You got to turn around.
Alright, this isn't one of my better plans.
This is not good. This is what happens when you're up all night. You don't get the details. The details are kind of bad. Look, I'm turning, Bailey. Can you turn around? He only knows how to do this. Whoa! Stay. Oh, the hat. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Stay. You get your other dog out of here.
He likes food, can you tell?
Here, take it away.
Come on, buddy.
Now, here, she will put her rear end over. Stay. 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 Whoop. Stay. 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 A good girl. Stay. Whoa. Not a good girl. Stay. Stay. I'll get it to you. I gotta cut it back. Here, eat it. There we go. She has got a hat. She's got a hat. Why didn't she got a hat? Why didn't she get a hat?
There we go.
Yeah. Almost. Can I quit now? Okay. Okay.
Now we need the real dance. That's awesome. Wait, where's the food? Give him the cupcake. Yeah. Okay. That's awesome.
Oh, dear me.
All right, now hold on.
What are we holding on to?
We need a commercial break. Oh, patient identification. Yeah, commercial break. Hold on, please.
What are we doing?
Yeah, now don't say anything because the microphone's on. Yeah. Put this on.
Oh, my. Oh, I can just tell what
Tracy. Your time to put that on.
I'm still in birthday mode. There we go. Is it me, I suppose?
not done
Oh,
with you.
oh God, more?
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna tickle my nose. I'll sneeze. There we go.
You want? We've seen this. Beautiful.
It's up in the air. Oh, there it goes. On now. Hey, that dog's dragging a leash.
Yeah. That's because I was trying to keep him in some sort of rest. Well, he's free. He likes marijuana. It's not the brightest bulb in the sun. Okay. All right, everybody here, come over here.
Me too.
You got your, yeah.
I just roll over. Yeah, you're gonna push me over there, right?
Yeah. Okay, pull me back then.
Whoop.
I'm gonna go around that way and then we'll all come this way. Oh, got it. Got it.
She was up all night. That's the problem. She didn't get to bed till 2:30. Do I get this too?
Sure. All right, Annie, can you hit play?
Oh, the music?
That's lots of those.
Put the microphone over my head. What are you doing? You're pushing.
Push it.
Good girl. She did a good girl.
Okay.
She gets all excited.
All right, get to the mail. Oh, what have we done with the,
Did we ever get any more packages?
oh, I think we have to turn the sound off, right? What? Okay, it's dog party.
Can I get this too for me?
Oh, everyone's going out. Excellent.
What happened?
Chaos is at the door.
Isn't she alone? Oh my God. Oh, no.
All right, come here, Noelle.
Chaos and Noel are not a
We're
good
not
thing.
friends. Come on.
Hey.
Now. Come on, Noelle.
She doesn't like Bailey either, I don't think.
Okay, crisis averted.
Oh, that was a bad one.
Yeah.
Chaos and Noel hate each other with a passion. And Chaos was at the front door and somebody opened the front door.
Yeah.
I had to explain everything. Huh? What are you looking for?
Oh, right here.
May I take this hat off? Oh, sure. well, did it work?
Your hair looks nice. Is Spider up here? Spider's today.
Spider's an A?
Yeah, he's been out with food. Oh, I didn't know these blinks. Oh, only yours does. Yeah.
Full confidence in she.
Yeah.
Oh, boys, okay. We're back to bring it inside the leg. And we put that in.
We're in the house. Get cold in there.
Why don't we floor food over here? On camera?
Oh, okay. That's it. Where's the rest of them?
They cold? Just two?
Yep. Spider worked out so fast. All right, let's open some mail.
Oh, nice. Going with food?
Yeah.
You will learn for food.
Do something.
Okay.
Terry, she'll be right back. She'll be right back. No, no UPS, no FedEx. I don't know if they're running late today or if we didn't get anything.
That happens on occasion. Can't believe we have nothing.
No.
It's too soon for them to start giving us batteries, maybe.
Oh, it's not right there.
We have one. Stop it.
Okay.
Don't go far. That's the best we can do. There we go. Oh, look. We have a Enfield, Connecticut. Oh, is that your husband's relative?
No, but I think that's where she lives.
No. So let's tell her to go look up your husband's relative. There we go. Do we need more food down here? This is do-it-yourself food here. Oh, and I gotta call those people.
Yes.
Oh,
Oh, hello.
couple more, huh?
Here's trouble.
Oh, and here's the Jimmy Dean bowl.
Oh,
That's
my
how
favorite.
yes. That's how I started eating those.
Let me have that. Thank you.
Okay, yeah. Sure. What? Uh-oh. Don't eat string. Okay, this is part of an application.
Okay, don't say any names.
That's correct.
Hello.
Hello, Pam.
Hi, Pam. This has to go in the far, hey, Louis, gee, in the far.
Alright, the dog's wiping off my whiteboard.
Hi, Chaos. Chaos. Oh, Chaos.
I'm
Chaos.
happy to see Pam. Okay,
You stop it. I saw that.
is that it?
That
That
was
was
it.
the application?
Yes.
Hey, can you scroll up a bit?
They've never done a platform fee.
I will say at home though, they are learning to wait when I put their food down.
They're really good. They didn't really notice. Yeah, they didn't know what they were doing.
Sheila, you're late.
But
You're late.
I'm late for a very important date.
I mean, it was cute. And they didn't do it. That's it.
Oh,
What?
somebody's jumping on Pam's computer. Oh, look how pretty. Oh, she's very pretty. Look at it. Very, very pretty. Can you stay? Can you stay? Can you see it?
Why are you doing this to me?
I'll give you this.
Look at her ears falling out. How funny is that? Oh, look there.
Stay. Hold it steady. Stay. Good girl.
Her hair is moving.
Okay, wait.
Good girl.
It's like,
Oh, very pretty.
What happened to the birthday hats? We lost. I don't know.
oh my God.
Look at her ears sticking out of the hair. Oh,
She's like, I want me to get something to do with this.
You can say right out of your mouth. Look there. Look there. Stay.
very pretty. Oh, she's so pretty.
Oh, she's beautiful.
Oh!
It's that
Oh.
here.
I'm done torturing her, I guess.
Okay, I'll do it for Steve. I'll do it for Steve. Can I hang that one back up? Thank you.
Captured all the little spots.
sort them over. Just handle them. There we go.
All right, don't say the name.
No. No.
Can you put it on speaker?
Huh?
Speakerphone?
Oh, speakerphone. How do I do that? Oh, yeah, this one. We never opened the package. Can't win them all. That's very complicated.
Hello, this is Mary.
Hi, Mary. This is Carlene and everybody up here at Service Dog Project.
Well, you know what? I'm sitting here watching you online.
And I'm holding the phone up to the microphone.
And I thought, no way.
That's you.
Hi, Mary.
Hi.
Mary came.
Hey, I miss all you guys.
Did you come to the retreat last time?
Absolutely. I was at the retreat last time, and I'm coming to the next one, too.
Oh,
I'm saving
good.
my pennies.
Good. Wonderful. And anything you'd like to tell the world?
Well, I appreciate you guys so much.
Oh, good.
Oh, listen to the delay now here. I've got to turn down the sound.
Oh, that's right. She's getting feedback.
Oh my gosh, I've got to get the sound if I can figure out how to turn this down. Anyway, I appreciate you guys so much because I've been home after I had surgery
Oh, my.
because I had breast cancer,
Oh, dear.
which was developing while I was at the retreat, and of course I didn't know it.
Oh, dear. Well, glad you found it out and took care of it.
Yep, so I came back to Tucson. I've got it all taken care of, but I've been home since January watching puppies on TV or, on Explore, and just really, you guys have helped me feel so much better.
Oh, good. Well, we have more puppies coming,
Oh, I know.
And we've kind of forgotten when. Some people say it's in 10 days. I think that's a little early, but it could happen, I think. I don't know. We didn't write it down too carefully.
Yeah, well, no.
Uh-oh. Somebody's here.
Quiet.
But, I really appreciate you guys so much.
Oh, good.
And I know that there are just thousands of people that do. But I can only speak, for myself for that. You guys just help everyone understand that you can be who you are, and people appreciate you for that. And
We have a good
really
time.
help me get through.
We have a good time. Well, it's good to talk to you, and
We'll see you in September.
we'll see you in September.
I will either see you in September.
Oh, there we go.
Absolutely.
Very good. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I'll see you guys then.
Bye.
Bye.
Bless you.
That was hard to do when I was trying to sneeze.
Okay. Now open the
Chaos.
box.
What am I doing?
Opening the box.
Opening the box. Opening the box. Here, take your shirt. Take the shirt. Shirt. Look out, though. Don't take the box.
What's the pie swatter got to do with anything?
It was green.
Guys, be great. It's a fax machine, Harry Cole.
Of course, this is not going to make any sense to anybody, but that's all right. Oh. Oh, my. What did we do?
Cereal dispenser.
Yes.
Who's that from?
Joe Dose. Oh. for all those healthy treats that people are sending us. Don't you stay out of this.
Yeah, could you put M&M's in there?
No!
You can M&M's, Skittles. Yeah.
There you go. Here, hang on to that. Somebody.
Beer.
So here's how you put it together when we can't figure it out. But you don't put that. There you go. Have a good one. Have a good one. We got a lot of these pieces here.
Great.
Hey. Oh, can't have that. Wake up.
We'll work for food. Yeah, you're working. There'll be food in it. Yeah, that's right. We'll fill it up with something.
Is that empty? No, it's not empty. Get the other stuff out. Will you stop it? No. This is very complicated.
There you go.
This is for all those healthy treats that people think we ought to have.
Oh, here's the big mechanisms. Here's the flying birds. Going down. Back left. Yeah. Going down. Slow motion. There you go. Oh, look at all this fun stuff.
There's a lot of pieces here. I don't understand all this.
Nothing comes together.
Well, I think we ought to take this back out to the kitchen and deal with it.
Let's give Pam something to do tonight.
There you go.
Very well. It's like an exercise.
I hope they got a picture of how this goes together.
Their mom just ate it.
Oh dear.
I used to see the last one. Oh, here's what it looks like.
We better save the picture. Are you ready to take it out of here?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Go ahead. Take it. Luigi, wake up. Watch it. Don't get it around.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Took a minute for me to register. I'm only running on 2 cylinders.
You gotta stop this 2 a.m. stuff.
Mixed nuts and Fruit Loops, that's what we'll put in there.
Oh dear.
You are what you eat.
Jacks.
People just sent us a bunch of nuts.
Yeah.
Okay?
Well,
There we go.
oh, what do we do about trivia?
Oh,
Yeah.
I told you what I thought for trivia.
Yeah, you already told everyone.
I did.
In the Dr. Davis.
Yeah. You gonna do that one?
Well,
I mean, it's not my bag. You got anything
you
better?
mean like from now until next Tuesday?
Yeah.
I don't have anything better. Jeez, I don't love it, but I don't have anything better.
Yeah, you had a rough week though.
Yeah. How about someone comes up with a trivia question? You win a T-shirt if you come up with a good question.
Okay, that'll be next week.
Those suckers better come flying in. Yeah. Now you gotta email them today.
That'll work.
It has to be an ungoogleable answer.
That's true.
Is that a word?
Right? Work?
Yeah.
That works.
No.
Not that.
How many steps did you get in the arena? Not googleable.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, no, yeah. We did that
You
one.
did that.
Wanna do that one?
Yeah. That's done.
I said, how many batteries are we going to get by next Monday?
Yeah.
Any AA batteries? Because I'll show you. How many what?
How many structures? That's easy. You should say it.
Struts?
trucks.
Oh, trucks.
How could she say?
This is my, I'm gonna show my battery supply. Oh, that's the microphone. Can't see it
Hey,
through
can
the
you see me
microphone.
now?
That's my battery supply. So that's it. What?
He came up with a trivia question.
Oh. So are we going with the battery thing?
We'll go with the battery thing.
We're going with the battery thing. Oh, this is the current supply. We count the ones we have as of next Tuesday and see the difference between them?
Okay.
Okay.
Well, counting those that you have in your hand.
Okay, well, we can do it that way.
Well, don't count them.
I can count these. It's the ones that are arriving that are the problem. Well, we got 6. This is 8. I got 8
We
batteries.
got 8.
We have 8 to start with. Okay.
Okay.
We're not going to count dead ones, because here's my dead collection.
Oh, there's more dead ones than that.
I know, but I can't find them. That's why we don't have recycled batteries, because I can't find them. What happened? Is it all put in the dishwasher?
No, there's one step in it.
Oh. We ought to wash it too, no? I always like to run things through the dishwasher.
Clean things are nice.
What are you chewing on? Stop it. Why are they so interested in that handle? No, can't have that. All right, now what do we do?
All right. Well, I
Are we done?
think that concludes today's mail count. We have to say hello to Kaylee and Haley. And,
Who else?
I guess that's it.